I've been visiting the National Gallery of Canada since I was little, thinking how cool would it be to actually get to go behind the scenes and work and contribute to what's on the walls. During my first year of the Masters in Art History, I did 2 Practicum placements at the National Gallery of Canada in the Exhibitions and Outreach department. It was really important for me that I not put my professional development on hold while I pursued my master's, so I was really drawn to Carleton because of their Practicum program. To be able to gain course credits towards my master's degree while working hands-on with experts in the field. It was in those moments I really recognized that art can be this connector between communities and different cultures. I think the Practicum program at Carleton really enriched my experience as a student and helped better set me up for what's to come following my master's. My name is Elizabeth Stewart. I'm a second-year master's candidate in the art history program at Carleton University. And I'm currently working on projects associated with the National Gallery of Canada's digital strategy.